Yes, hello all of you. Yes, today we will discuss about operations research, your subject. We can also say it in short OR. Okay, I'm Sonia Sharma, Assistant Professor and MBA in Human Resource Information Technology, and I'm UGC NET qualified. First of all, we will discuss about the topics that we should be covering in this PPT. That is origin means history, definitions and characteristics of operations research. How operation research came into origin. We will discuss it. Okay. Origin of OR. Operations research was coined during World War II when the British military management called upon a group of scientists together to apply a scientific approach in the study of military operations to win the battle. The main objective was to allocate scarce resources in an effective manner to various military operations and to the activities within each operation. Uh, the British Army and the Royal Navy also incorporated OR again for assistance with the radar system. All the Britain military services had set up formal OR teams by 1942. Similar developments took place in other countries like United States in terms of further development of the discipline. Okay, an OR team was also established at Defense Sciences Laboratory to resolve inventory purchase and planning issues. So, since OR as a formal discipline has expanded continuously in the last 70 years and is widely recognized as a central approach to decision making in the management of different domains of an organization. Due to the availability of faster and flexible computing facilities and the number of qualified OR professionals, it is now widely used in military, business, industry, transportation, public health, crime investigations, etc. First of all, we will understand that what is OR, what is operations research in simple language. It is concerned with coordinating and controlling the operations or activities within an organization. Like there are various activities, various employees are working in the organization, then how a manager can coordinate them, how a manager can assign them the different works so that they can work in their work desk or in the markets. Okay, OR can be regarded as use of mathematical and quantitative techniques to substantiate the decisions being taken. OR takes tools from subjects like mathematics, statistics, engineering, economics, psychology, and uses them to know the consequences of possible alternative actions. Like in unit number 2 and 3 we'll study the different models and how can the problems can be solved. There are various marketing problems, there are various problems in an organization, an employee and employer or subordinates of an employee can feel. So how can we solve it? How can a marketing problem can be solved? We will study the different methods in operations research. There are some definitions given by experts. So we will first read out the definition and then understand the meaning of these definitions. Operations research is the art of winning wars without actually fighting it. According to Arthur Clarke, he has said that OR is an application which helps us to win a war without actually fighting it. How can it be possible? We have to apply certain methods, certain technologies, certain models to the techniques, to the problems to find out the alternative solutions. We have to find not one, various solutions, and we have to choose the solution, the best possible solution out of all the solutions, so we can win a war without actually fighting it. Okay. And according to the Churchman and Akoff and Anoff, operations research is the application of scientific methods, techniques, tools to problems involving operations of a system so as to provide those in control of the system with optimum solution to the problem. Look, we have to achieve the aim, we have to achieve the goal, we have to get the optimum solution. We have various solutions, we can get various solutions, but we have to extract the maximum possible solution, maximum profitable solution out of the problem. That is, that can be possible by the help of operational research techniques only. Okay, in the next slide we will study the characteristics of operations research. OR aims to find the best possible solutions for any problem. Its main goal is to help the managers to obtain a quantitative basis decision making solution. These results increase efficiency, more control, more better coordination in the organization when fulfilling the required objectives. So, one of the main characteristics of OR is a decision making approach. Number two is scientific approach. Number three, it is considered as a computer based approach. What is a decision making approach? What is a decision making approach? All organizations are faced with situations where they need to meet the best available alternative to solve a problem. Or techniques help managers in obtaining optimal solutions for their problems. Additionally, OR techniques are also used by managers to understand the problems at hand in a better manner and make effective decisions. It is important to note that OR techniques help in improving the quality of decisions. It also helps in finding bad answers to problems having worse answers. It means that for many problems, OR may not be able to give perfect replies, but can help in improving the quality of the decisions of a manager. Okay, so number two is it is as a scientific approach, OR as a scientific approach. It uses multiple scientific methods or models, techniques, along with tools and techniques to resolve complex problems while eliminating individual biases. The scientific method involves observing and defining a problem, formulating and testing the hypothesis, and analyzing the results of the test. What are the results of the test? We have to analyze that also to find out the best possible solution, best optimum solution. The result of the test determine whether the hypothesis should be accepted or rejected. If the hypothesis is accepted, it means we will be getting a very good, very profitable solution. Since OR focuses on complex organization problems, it includes expertise from different disciplines such as mathematics, economics, science, and engineering. Having different experts ensures that the problem is analyzed from different perspectives and alternative. The strategies are evolved for the selected problem. As a systems approach, OR OR's important interactions and their influence on the organization as a whole are considered for decision making. OR looks at problems from the perspective of the organization, like to determine the potential for enhancing the performance of the system as a whole. Means all the employees of any organization should give the very nice performance now, and like measure the imperfect impact of alterations in variables on the whole system, and to find reasons for malfunctioning of the system as a whole. We have to repair the whole system, not only one employee. We have to concentrate on all the employees of the organization to get the optimum solutions. I think you can understand this because if we are improving only one, focusing only one employee, we are focusing only one thing, that it is not possible to gain the profit easily. And number three is a computer based approach, OR as a computer based approach. It solves business problems using mathematical models, manipulating large amount of data, and performing computations on these large sets. It is almost impossible to do such computations and manipulations manually. Therefore, OR-based problems are using computers. We can use computers. We can use automated formulas to solve OR problems. So here we have discussed the meaning, the definitions, the introduction, the history, and the characteristics of operations research. Thank you all of you.